Organizing an office is just like organizing a home. The same principles apply and the same results are achieved. And in this case, it can truly skyrocket your success. I was asked to help organize an office supply room and I jumped at the opportunity. Pens, paper clips, binders, oh my! While a dream come true for an organizer, it can be an arduous task for an office manager. By following the basic steps of organizing, we were able to turn the supply room into a shining model of office efficiency. The first step is always to take everything out so you can see what you have to organize. The second step is to sort, categorize, and edit. In this office, items were already generally sorted, but we had several drawers containing similar items or many half-filled boxes with same-sized envelopes. We were able to collect everything, collate, categorize, and then edit. The third step is to determine what needs to go where. In this busy office, we established zones by cabinets. One for office supplies, another for letter envelopes, copy paper, folders, mailing envelopes, promotional items, and snacks. Step 4 is to identify the priorities of each zone. What supplies are needed or accessed most often? What is used only on rare occasions? By setting priorities to each item, we are then able to assign logical locations for these items in the cabinets. Finally, we arrive at the final step to containerize everything, which is the fun part. We use multiple sets of drawers to contain all the small office supplies and an assortment of bins to contain the various sized envelopes, folders, mailers, promo items, and snacks. The result is an office supply room firing on all 4 cylinders, ready for action and for success. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some ideas on how you can organize your own office supply room. If you have any questions or some odd items that you need to figure out how to containerize, please leave them in the comment section below. If you've liked this video, I would love it if you could give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you a very happy, organized day.